Ever feel like your back looks slightly off in the mirror, but you can't quite explain why? For millions of people around the world, that's exactly what is happening, and many don't even realize it. Uneven shoulders or a slight imbalance are ignored as it's just a bad posture. But sometimes it's a sign of something more. It could be scoliosis. Let's understand what exactly is scoliosis. Scoliosis is a condition where the spine curves sideways instead of staying straight. Now, a slight curve might not seem like a big deal, but as it progresses, it can start affecting your posture, your breathing, and even your confidence. That's why early detection is important. So, how do you know if you or someone around you might have scoliosis? Let's have a quick self-check. Does your shoulder look uneven? Is one hip higher than the other? Does one side of your back stick out more? Or do your clothes fall unevenly on your body? If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. Scoliosis often shows up during teenage growth years, but adults are not safe either. In fact, many people discover it much later when back pain or stiffness starts interfering with daily life. And if the curve is progressing or starting to cause discomfort, that's your cue to seek medical advice. The good news is that treatment depends on how severe the curve is. Mild cases may only need regular monitoring and physiotherapy. Moderate cases might require a brace to prevent further progression. But in more severe cases, surgery becomes the most effective solution. Scoliosis surgery, also known as spinal fusion, helps straighten and stabilize the spine using advanced technique and modern implants. During the procedure, surgeons carefully realign the curved spine and use rods and screws to hold it in the corrected position. Bone grafts are then placed to help the vertebra fuse over time, forming a single strong and stable structure. This not only corrects the curve but also prevents it from worsening in the future, with most patients recovering gradually and returning to normal activities within few months. And don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. Today's procedures are much safer, more precise, and designed for faster recovery than ever before. In fact, the benefits can be life-changing. Better posture, reduced pain, improved breathing, and a huge boost in confidence. But here's something you should remember. Earlier scoliosis is detected, the easier it is to manage. Ignoring it for too long can lead to serious complications. The curve can progress and treatment become more complex. So if you or your loved one is looking for scoliosis treatment in India, MedSurge India can help you access top quality care at affordable cost. We connect you with experienced spine specialists and advanced hospitals, ensuring you receive the right treatment without unnecessary stress. So don't ignore the signs your body is giving you, because a small curve today doesn't have to become a big problem tomorrow. Reach out to MedSurge India and take the first step towards a healthier and straighter spine.